parent out there, the advice I would give to them is mentoring is really good because you get to learn yourself. Before I never really asked questions about myself, things are really important to me. When I opened the book of the mentoring toolkit, the questions that we're asking was really like deep questions. I've never thought about it. Hi, my name is Sowda, and I first found out the mentoring lab in the job center by my coach. I started with a kickstart, and I remember when I was standing up for my interview, I really gave up, and I'm so glad that my manager, Elaine Thomas, gave me the opportunity and believed in me. So I've learned so many skills, and I want to get into counseling, so starting with a mentoring 101, doing mentor, that was really good for me. I've learned so much. I've also got a life coach by Elaine, helped me to upgrade my skills and how will I be able to achieve my goals. Coming out from the lockdown, it was really tough for all of us, and during COVID, I have to sometimes work from home, and sometimes I have to come down to the office doing a lot of admin work, preparing for my mentoring 101 sessions. I learned so much when it comes to communication skills, because that's the bit I've struggled. Since I've been working here, I have to do a lot of phone calls, I have to do a lot of admin, receptionist, and that really gave me the knowledge and experience. Now I'm very confident. And I remember time management, it was a bit hard for me as a parent, single parent who's working. In here, I have to, manage my time for my work and manage the time for my kids. So I have learned so much. It kind of motivated me to get better. With my life coach helping me on the side was really good, because I have to set a goal for myself in order for me to achieve what I was lacking, and that was my time management was really poor because I was turning up work late. It was a bit tough, but then after my session of my life coach ended, I have improved so much. I have literally ticked all the boxes, all the goals that I wanted to achieve. So, I remember that when I told my manager that I'm able to work at 9, it was a bit struggling because my kids start at 8:45 to school, and I wasn't able to, and I thought that yes, I could do it, but then it was a lack of communication. I have to open up to my manager, tell her that I'm a parent, would you be able to let me work this time to this time? And for that to really help me to overcome and to manage my time of my work and drop my kids to school. So yeah, every parent out there, the advice I would give to them is mentoring is really good because you get to learn yourself. Before I never really asked questions about myself, things are really important to me. When I opened the book of the mentoring toolkit, the questions that we're asking was really deep questions. I've never thought about it. So going and doing it, each one of them was really wow, this is really, really good. And I kind of got to know myself much better, know my strength, my skills, my responsibility, things that I need to achieve and things that I need to work on. So yeah, the mentoring toolkit is really, really good, and I would recommend every parent, even the parent themselves, to use on themselves. It will help them to get to know themselves. I would say that it's really, really amazing, and it's kind of like a family to youth. I would say that because in the mentoring lab, we don't really, with the young people that we work with, it's not like they can open up to us like a family. It's not like we don't treat them differently. It's a place that they feel safe, comfortable to share their ideas, and all their ideas are well respected. And that's what I love about the mentoring lab, is that we're all open to hear, even from 7 years old, their ideas, and to open up and hear their voices. Everyone has a chance to speak about themselves. My name is Sowda, and I'm the project support at the mentoring lab.